Hi students, good morning everyone. Now we are going to talk about B black elements 1. Okay. General electronic configuration of B black elements NS2 NP126 NS2 NP126. First one boron group. The boron occurs mostly as borates and its important ores borax. And the important ores are borax. The boron occurs mostly as borates and its important ores are borax. Na2B4O5OH4 8H2O and kernite. Borax and kernite. Listen, aluminum is the most abundant metal and occurs as oxide and also found in aluminosilicate tracks. Commercially, it is extracted from its chief ore, bauxite, Al2O3, 2H2O. The other elements of this group occur only in the trace amounts. The other elements, gallium, indium and titanium, occurs as the sulfides. Listen, chemical properties of boron. First one, formation of metal borates. Many metals except alkali metals from borates with a general formula MsBy up to 11 and Y ranging up to 66 are higher. So listen, it's a very important. Direct combination of metals with boron. Direct combinations of metals with boron. Direct combination of metals. Chromium metals with number of boron to form metal boron. Say metal, chromium say metal, number of borons to form metal borons. Example, chromium is I take 2 borons. Give answer chromium B2. Say reduction of nesticating, reduction of boron trihalides. Reduction of boron trihalides. This one. Reduction of boron trihalides. I take chlorine. Boron trichloride. I take 2 molecules of boron trichloride with a metal. W is a metal. Around the heat 1500 Kelvin, the presence of hydrogen to form metal borates. To form metal borates. 2Cl2 plus 2HCl. 2Cl2. Okay. Say next, formation of hydrates. Listen, I take boron trifluoride. Reacts with sodium hydrides around 450 Kelvin temperature to form diborane B2HCl plus NaF. B2HCl. Okay. Next, formation of trihalides. Boron, I take boron and halides. X2 means halogens. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. X means fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Boron react with halogens, anyone, to form boron trihalides. 2bx3. 2bx3. I take fluorine to form 2bf3. Boron trihalides. Next one, formation of boron nitride. Formation of boron nitride. I take boron plus nitrogen to form boron nitrate. 2Bn. Next one, formation of oxides. Simple. I take boron plus oxygen molecule to form formation of oxides. 2B2O3. B2O3. The boron is heated. When boron is heated with oxygen around 900 Kelvin temperature, it forms its oxides. Next, reaction with acids and alkali. See, I take reaction with acids. I take boron. Reaction with acid, H2SO4 is a acid. 3 molecules of H2SO4 to form 2H3BO3. So boric acid plus 3SO2. 6 molecules, 6BO3. 2H3BO3. Boron reaction with alkali. I take sodium hydroxide. 2 boron plus 6 NaOH to form 2 Na3BO3 with sodium borate. Name is sodium borate. Boron reaction with fused sodium hydroxide and form sodium borate. So important uses of boron. Boron has the capacity to absorb neutrons. Hence, its isotope 10 boron 5. Its isotope B510 is used as a moderator in nuclear reactors. Next point, amorphous boron is used as a rocket fuel igniter. Third point, boron is essential for the cell walls of plants. Fourth point, compounds of boron have many applications. For example, eye drops, antiseptics, washing powders, etc. contains boric acid and borax. It is the manufacture of Pyrex glass and boric acid is used. Next heading, borax. Formula Na2B4O7 into 10H2O. First one, preparation. Borax is a sodium salt of tetraboric acid. Borax is a sodium salt of tetraboric acid. It is obtained from columnate Ca2B6O11. It's a caluminate ore and sodium carbonate and Na2CO3 is a sodium carbonate plus water and heating to form borax. Na2B4O7 plus CaCO3 plus CaOH2. Listen, borax is normally formulated Na2B4O7 10H2O, but it contains tetranuclear units B4O5 OH4 2 This form is known as prismatic form. This formation is known as The form is known as prismatic form. B4O5 into OH4 too much. Which form? Prismatic form. Borax also exists two other forms, namely Joule and ultra-heater borax. Na2B4O7 into 5H2O and borax glass. Na2B4O7. So borax glass. Next one, properties. First one, borax is a basic in nature. Borax is a basic in nature and it is solution in hot water, is alkaline and is dissociated into boric acid and sodium hydroxide in hot water. Na2B4O7 plus 7H2O gives H3BO3, say boric acid, plus 2NaOH, sodium hydroxide. On heating, it forms a transparent borax beads. I take borax Na2B4O7 in 10H2O. On heating, minus 10H2 to form borax glass Na2B4O7 to form transparent borax beads 2NaBO2 plus B2O3. Say, listen, borax reacts with acid to form strongly soluble boric acid. Borax reacts with acid Na2B4O7 plus 2HCl plus water. Borax reacts with acid to form strongly soluble boric acid. H3BO3 is a boric acid plus NaCl. Next, borax reacts with ammonium chloride. Borax general formula Na2B4O7 reacts with ammonium chloride NH4Cl gives 2NaCl plus boron nitride to form boron nitride plus B2O3 plus 4H2O. First point, borax is a basic in nature and is solution in hot water to form boric acid. On heating, borax on heating, it forms a borax beads. Okay. Next, borax reacts with acid to form soluble boric acid. When treated with ammonium chloride, borax when treated with ammonium chloride, it forms boron nitride. Uses of borax. Borax is used for the identification of colored metal ions, the manufacture of optical and borosilicate glass, enamels and glasses for pottery, and it is also used as a flax in metallurgy and also acts as a preservative. Next heading, boric acid. General formula H3PO3 or POH3. So preparation. Boric acid can be extracted from borax and columnate ore. Borax and columnate ore. Borax formula Na2B4O7 plus I take acid H2SO4 plus water to form boric acid H3BO3 plus Na2SO4. So, borax reacts with acid to form boric acid. Next, another one, columnate ore. Ca2B6O11 plus 11H2O plus 4SO2 to form 2CaHSO3 twice plus is H3BO3 to form boric acid. Okay, so properties. First properties, boric acid is a colorless transparent crystal. Listen, boric acid is a colorless transparent crystal. It is very weak monobasic acid and it accepts hydroxyl ion rather than donating proton. Listen, I take boric acid, another formula BOH3 plus 2H2O to equilibrium reaction or equilibrium process. H3O plus BOH4 minus. Yes, it is very monobasic acid and it accepts hydroxyl ion. It accepts hydroxyl ion rather than donating proton. Boric acid reacts with boric acid. H3BO3 is a boric acid, reacts with sodium hydroxide to form NaBO2, sodium tetraborate. Sorry, sodium metaborate. 1 molecule of boric acid, I take 1 molecule of sodium hydroxide to form sodium metaborate. Another one, H3BO3, I take 2 molecules of sodium hydroxide to form Na2B4O7, borax or sodium tetraborate. Next, action of heat. Boric acid H3BO3, action of heat. Boric acid when heated 373 Kelvin to form metaboric acid. At 413 Kelvin temperature to form tetraboric acid. H2 say metaboric acid. This is tetraboric acid. Another one, the tetraboric acid when heated at red hot to form boric anhydride B2O3. Listen, boric acid when heated 373 Kelvin gives metaboric acid and 413 Kelvin it gives tetraboric acid. When heated at red hot it gives boric anhydride B2O3 which is glassy mass. And action of ammonia. Next stating action of ammonia. I take boric acid formula H3BO3 plus ammonia formula NH3 around 800 to 1200 Kelvin temperature to form boron nitride plus 3H2O. H3BO. Boric acid reaction with ammonia when heated 800 to 1200 Kelvin to form boron nitride. Next, ethyl borate test. I take boric acid H3BO3. I take ethyl alcohol 3C2H5OH to form in the presence of concentration H2SO4 to form BO triethyl borate C2H5 triethyl borate. Listen, when boric acid or borate salt is heated with ethyl alcohol in presence of concentration sulfuric acid, and ester triethyl borate is formed. The vapor of the ester burns with a green edged flame and the reaction is to identify in the presence of borate. Next, formation of boron trifluoride. I take boric acid reaction with acid H2SO4. Boric acid reaction with calcium fluoride CaF2. Calcium fluoride to form, listen carefully, boric acid reaction with calcium fluoride in presence of concentration sulfuric acid and gives boron trifluoride. Next heading, boric acid when heated with soda. Soda formula Na2CO3, boric acid formula H3BO3. It gives borax Na2B4O7. So very important 2-mark question. Structure of boric acid. Boric acid has a two-dimensional layer structure. It consists of BO3 unit and these are linked to each other by hydrogen bonds. Uses of boric acid. Boric acid is used in the manufacture of pottery classes, enamels and pigments. It is used as an antiseptic and as an eye lotion. Third one, it is also used as a food preservative. Okay. Next heading, diborane. Formula B2H6. Preparation. As discussed earlier, diborane can be made by the action of metal hydride with boron. This method is used for the industrial production. Next, diborane can also be obtained in small quantities by the reaction of iodine with sodium borohydride in diglycine. I take iodine, small quantity of iodine plus sodium borohydride to form diborane B2H6 plus 2NaI. Okay, plus hydrogen. On heating magnesium borate, Mg3B2 with magnesium borate with HCl, 12 molecules of HCl to form Volatile borons are obtained. 6 MgCl2 plus B4H10 plus H2. Properties. Borons are colorless diamagnetic compounds with low thermal stability. Diboron is a gas at room temperature with sweet smell and is extremely toxic. It is also highly reactive. Say, listen. Diboron B2H6. B2H6. At a high temperature, it forms higher borons, liberating hydrogen. First one, 388 Kelvin used to U-tube to form P5H11 plus 4 molecules of hydrogen. Next, 198 to 373 Kelvin to form B4H10. Next, 373 Kelvin to form B10H14 plus 8H2. Next, 473 to 523 Kelvin to form 2P5H9. Next, 523 Kelvin to form 2P5H9 plus 2P5H10 plus 11H2. And last one, red hot is so important. Red hot to form 2 boron plus 3H2. That's all. Diboron reacts with water. Diboron formula B2H6. Reaction with water. 6 molecules of water to form boric acid H3BO3. Diboron reacts with water and alkali to give boric acid and more metaborates respectively. Next, action of air. Diboron B2H6 reaction of air 3O2 to form B2O3. At room temperature, pure diboron does not react with air or oxygen, but in impure form it gives P2O3 along with large amount of heat. Delta equal to minus 2165 kilojoule per mole. Okay, large amount of heat. Say diboron reacts with methyl alcohol. Diboron B2H6 reacts with methyl alcohol 6CH3OH methyl alcohol to form trimethyl borate 2BOCH3 plus 6H2. Next, hydroboration. Diboron reaction with alkenes to form diboron and alkenes and alkanes in ether solvent at room temperature. This reaction is called hydroboration and is highly used in synthetic organic chemistry, especially for anti-morgonic of readdition. P2H6 plus alkene 6 or CH double bond CHR gives 2R CH2 or CH2 or 3P. Okay, structure of diboron. Structure of diboron is a very important question. In diboron form structure, boron formula B2H6 BP hydrogen one one hydrogen. Listen, that in diboron 2 BH2 units. 2 BH2 units. In diborons, 2 BH2 units are linked to 2 bridged hydrides. 2 bridged hydrogens. Therefore, it has 8 BH bonds. It has 8 BH bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one. 4. This one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. Therefore, it has the 8 BH bonds. However, diboron has only 12 valence electrons and are not sufficient to form normal covalent bonds. The 4 terminal BH bonds are normal covalent bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4 BH bonds are normal covalent bonds. The remaining 4 electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 electrons have to be used the bridged bonds. 2, 3 centered BHB. Utilize 2 electrons each. Hence, these bonds are 3 centered 2 electron bonds. 2 CTE into 3 center. The bridged hydrogen atom are in a place as diboron. The boron is sp3 hybrids. The boron is sp3 hybridized. 3 of the 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals contain single electrons in the 4th orbital is empty. 2 of the half-filled hydride orbitals of each boron overlapped. With these orbitals is 2 hydrogen to form 4 terminal 2C2E bonds, leaving one empty and one half-filled by hybridization orbitals are each boron. The 3 center 2 electron bonds. BHP bonds formation involves overlapping the half-filled hybridized orbitals of one boron. The empty hybridized orbital of the BH formation was overlapping the half-filled hybridized orbitals of one boron. The empty hybridized orbital of the other boron, the half-filled hybridized is hydrogen. Instead of diboron, diboron is used as higher energy fuel for propellant. It is used as a reducing agent in organic chemistry. It is used in building torches.